Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to build an app with Cloud Code. Cloud Code can help you build an app from idea to working projects by planning features, creating files, writing code, and fixing bugs and generating tests. Now start off by opening the project. So here we are going to open the chat and basically describe the application clearly. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and gonna tell them to build a simple app to track my daily routine, diet, and workouts. I want to have a dashboard and modern style. I'm gonna even add more details. Use React for front end and Node.js for the back end. So we're simply gonna write down this and let's see what the AI is gonna give us as results. Now, most of the features guys that I would suggest you to do once you're trying to build a big project is to use the actual max effort and use the Fable 5, which is going to be upcoming in June 2020. And in case you had the access to Opus 4.8, it's going to be a huge update or upgrade as well, since the actual deep thinking is going to help you a lot. Plus the model is going to be even better since it has more features. So the effort is just as information, the effort is gonna be taking much more token from your account, so your limits could get pretty much taken out very easily by a few projects. Now we simply have to wait for the actual AI to build the app, and yeah, it could take few minutes, few hours. I mean, not few hours, but maximum like 30 minutes. But overall, the app should be created within few minutes, as I have mentioned. So just let the AI do its work, leave it away, go scroll yourself, go out, come back, and you will find the whole application created on your PC. So yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.